Hey, this is Dr. Eva Boldridge, also known as Houston Pross and Denture Diva. I have some patients out there who have had their dentures break. And unfortunately, right now, you can't come into your dentist to get that work done. So, what can be done at home is the question. Let's try some over the counter things to see what can be done. Our first repair will be a partial denture where a little piece of the acrylic broke off, and here is the break right there. Now, one of the things they say on the instructions is make sure the pieces fit together perfectly. And as you can see, they can fit together pretty perfectly. Problem is, I had another small piece right here, and guess what? While I was cleaning it, it fell down the sink. So number one rule is make sure you close your sink when you're cleaning your denture parts. Be very careful not to get this on your fingers. This is methyl methacrylate, and when we use it in the office, we are using gloves. But since everyone at home may not be using them, I'm going to try it very carefully without gloves. I also recommend you don't have nail polish on because that can stick to it as well. So let's try it and see how it works. And then the directions said you're supposed to hold like that for so this is how my repair looks. Now, the next step is to put the dentures in hot tap water, not boiling hot water, just hot tap water. You're going to have the dentures sit in the hot tap water for 5 minutes. So now let's wait. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so let's look and see how the dentures look. Again, we did hot tap water. So here is the denture repair right there. This material has said it's not a permanent repair. It's just to hold you over. But this is a good option now that we can't really go to the office and you can't see us as dentists to do the repairs for you. I'm going to use the sandpaper just to take that extra flash off. And the flash, when you're doing a denture repair, is important on the inside and the outside. The inside is probably even more important because that's going to be what's going against the tissue in your mouth. So you have to really make sure that it's all nice and filed down. I'm just going to, since I broke off that part, I'm using the sandpaper to smooth that end over, just so that I can see how smooth it can actually get. Okay, and there you go, the denture repair. You can see the little line. This should be able to go back in the patient's mouth, and it can be for looks. If you try to bite anything too hard, it could possibly break again. So if you just can't go with a broken denture or partial, you can try these things at home. I thought it'd be interesting to try to see how the over-the-counter works for our patients. So what do I think? It could be used, and I definitely think you need gloves. This is Dr. Eva Boldridge, also known as Houston Pross and Denture Diva. I hope you enjoyed my trial of repairs. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. Thanks. Happy quarantining.